Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and getting into Fast Boot so you can replace recovery. First, back up everything because unlocking or flashing will wipe data. Then install ADB and Fast Boot on your PC and enable USB debugging plus OEM unlock in developer options. Once done, connect the phone and confirm Fast Boot recognizes it with Fast Boot devices. If it doesn't, recheck drivers and cable. Next, reboot the phone into bootloader using Power plus Volume Up or a DB Reboot bootloader. You're ready to flash. You now remove ColorOS recovery by flashing a compatible custom recovery. This replaces the stock partition. First, ensure the image matches your exact model. Mismatches can brick the phone. Connect via Fast Boot, then run Fast Boot Flash Recovery. IMG and wait for confirmation. Next, test it with Fast Boot Boot Recovery. IMG to avoid permanent changes until successful. If the device loops or rejects the image, make sure OEM unlock is active. Erase cache with Fast Boot Erase Cache and reattempt the flash. This resolves. You finish by cleaning up and verifying system integrity after replacing recovery. Boot into your new recovery, then install any required modules or a patched firmware to prevent ColorOS recovery from restoring. Test booting into Android, verify decrypted storage access, and confirm Wi-Fi, radio, and sensors work. Make sure you only relock the bootloader after you're certain the system is stable. If something fails, capture Fast Boot logs. Attempt reflashing the stock firmware to restore function, and then retry the custom recovery workflow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.